Boy, I don't know about you all, but I'm telling you, this rain is relentless. The rain is just coming. And in addition to the rain just coming down, it's breezy. A lot of wind, guys, I'm telling you. Oh, I'm just hoping that my roof stays intact. If not, basement for me and my son. Oh my God, when I tell you, it is scary sometimes. When you're inside and you just hear boom, 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 boom. Yeah, it is. It is. I really don't know about you, but I'm telling you, it's crazy for me over here. And your girl Lizzy, relative here in Jamaica. Yes, again, as I've said before, this is my viewing for today. I had some viewings to get done today, and because of Hurricane Beryl, of course, I'm not able to do so. This is the viewing for today, guys. And again, as I said, it is scary. It is really scary right now. So this is really what's going on. Yeah. And of course, as I was saying, the mangoes are all off the tree. What remained of what's remained, because you know I'd taken some mangoes off. My apologies, y'all. The gimbal is giving me some trouble. Oh, that's horrible.